Hello, my favorite people. I hope you're doing great. I'm so excited to share this information with you guys today. This is how I changed my life entirely just by copying trading from professional traders. It is very, very easy. All right. So as you can see, I'm using Safex exchange. I'm going to drop the link on the description of this video for you guys to go and download Safex exchange. It is very easy to use. All right. So and the registration is also easy. You just need your email address, password, and maybe KYC later. All right. So as you can see, this is the homepage here. Before we begin doing this, if you know you are new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I'm gonna keep updating you with good informations like this. All right. So now what you are going to do when you look up here, you are going to see copy. This is where you see copy. Then you are going to click on copy. So the moment you click on copy, it is going to brought you here. All right, it's going to brought you here. As you can see, we have many different professional publishers who have been trading here for a very while. All right, so the first guy here we have he's on 30-day ROI, that is return on investment, and he is 64.77% and plus 452 USDT on his last trade. And when you look down here, we have AUM, which is the asset under management. AUM is 54,271, and he has a win rate of 92%. He went up to 92% on his trades. So I think this guy you can copy from someone who is winning 92. I think you can go with him. All right, and this guy will be getting the profit of 10% from you. Wow, it's going to be getting 10% of your profits. So as you can see here, the second one here, we have this one here with 30-day ROI, which is return on investment. He got plus $597 on his trade, and his AUM, which is asset under management, is $33,000, and his win rate is 100%. Is 100%. So, and we have the third one here. Also, we have this one got his winning rate is 66%, and this one winning rate is 42%. We have some with small percentage, some with big percentage, and this guy has been on this app for 240 days. Yes, 240 days, almost a year. All right, so what you are going to do is very, very easy. You just need to copy the trade. That's it. You just need to copy trade, then you press on copy. I'm going to go with this guy, which is the first guy here, and I'm going to press on copy. So when you press on copy, the current copy trading only supports split margin modes. If has a position or pending order, it needs to close the position or cancel the order before copying. All right, so they are saying if you have an order, you have to cancel your order before you copy this. All right, so what you are going to do when you come here is you are going to touch on copy token. All right, copy token. Which token are you going to copy? Absolutely. So then I'm going to press on done. When I press on done here, when you click on copy down here, it is going to show you this continue copy trading. All right, then you press on continue. All right, as you can see, the order set up successful. All right, the order was successful. And if you want to check your trading detail, the trade that you copy, you want to check the details, you press on copy details, then it is going to bring you here. All right, as you can see, this is your detail. All right, then you go back like this. All right, so, and one thing very important I need to share with you, the moment you register with this exchange, you are going to get they are going to give you some tokens for free, and you can later exchange those tokens into US dollars. All right, and the next thing is if you know you are a professional trader and you think you can become one of these publishers here, you think you can contribute, you just need to I'm going to give you the link to their Telegram channel where you can speak to them directly, and they are going to have you're going to have like an interview. They're gonna have to make sure that you qualify, you are really good at trading before you become a publisher here. But if you want to do, you can become one, because you are going to be earning 10% of the people who copy your trades. All right, so that's how this thing works. It's very easy, simple, and clear. And now I'm going to show you something very important also, and that is their Telegram channel. They have a Telegram channel where they have conversations with their members, and you can meet a professional traders. You can ask them questions. You can do a lot of things together. All right, so let's go to the Telegram now. All right, let's go to the Telegram. So as you can see, guys, here is their Telegram channel, and every member is able to comment here, is able to write here. All right, and you can learn how to trade here. You can do a lot of things here. You can ask questions, do whatever, is absolutely free here. And you can also learn how to trade, when to enter trade, learn how to avoid your mistakes and all of that. As you can see, they have over 681 members right now, and 245 people are online right now. All right, 245 people are online right now. So the channel is always busy. And as you can see, here are some signals that you can copy. All right, as you see, people dropping some signals that you can copy and make money. As you can see, this guy dropped these signals, and as you can see, it's plus 112.38%. all right, so this is how this thing works. It's very easy. And let me touch this link for you guys here. I'm going to touch this link. You can talk to this assistant right here. If you have anything that you want to talk personally, you can just directly message your problem or whatever you want to message him with directly here. All right, it's very easy also. So I'm going to drop the link on the description of this video. I'm going to drop two links. The first link is the link to the Safex exchange, where you can go and register your exchange if you don't have one. And if you have one, the second link I'm gonna drop here is the link to this Telegram channel, where you can have conversation with members of this, and you can ask any question that you think you're going to ask. This is very simple and easy, and this can change your life in a minute. All right, and here there is also a BIP group. Here is a BIP internal group, and this group is absolutely free. Also, it's for free. You can join that just by scanning this code here. When you scan this, that's it. It's very easy. You just need to scan the code and join. It's free, and that is why you're going to be learning how to trade, when to enter the market, when to do this and that. And when you join that also, that is where they used to have their meetings there. You used to have their meetings there on Zoom. You can join that. You can go download Zoom, and you can join their live streams. All right, you can join their live streams where you can ask questions, where you can watch how to do this and how to do that, where you can learn a lot from there. All right, and I forget to tell you that you will be able to enjoy multiple discounts. All right, you will be able to enjoy multiple discounts. I forget to tell you this. All right, so thank you for watching this video. If you know you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because I'm gonna keep updating you with good informations like this. Thank you and peace.